Hello everyone, you're welcome to my class. Today on the board we have this question, a geometry question, and it says that for what value of x, j is parallel to k. So this is line j and this is line k. Okay, so we want to look for this angle here. We want to look for x in this value that we were given. So the first thing we should do, note this horizontal line here, note it, and note that there is an angle missing here. So we need to look for this angle. Let's name this angle angle y. Okay, so angle y and this 120 degrees angle are sitting on a straight line, and from the rules we know that sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so now let's sum up the angles. We have angle y plus 120 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees. So y will be equal to 180 degrees. Our 120 will be crossing over and the sign will change to minus 120 degrees. So y will be equal to 60 degrees. So our y here is 60 degrees. Now look at this top horizontal line. This slopy line coming from this top horizontal line makes an angle of 50 degrees. Okay, now look at this bottom horizontal line. This slopy line coming from this bottom horizontal line also made an angle, the one we just found out, to be 60 degrees. Now these two slopy lines met at this point here. Okay, now they are meeting at this point. We have a reflex angle to form a reflex angle here, and this reflex angle we don't know the value. So to get the value of this reflex angle, we are going to be summing up the angles that the two slopy lines made with the two horizontal lines. So we will have 50 degrees plus 60 degrees, okay, to give us 110 degrees. So this our reflex angle here is 110 degrees. Now that we have gotten the angle for this reflex angle, a reflex angle is an angle that is bigger than 180 degrees, but it is not up to 360 degrees. So to get this x here, we are going to use the sum of angles at a point which is equal to 360 degrees. So sum of angles at a point is equal to 360 degrees. So let's sum up the angles we have and equate it to 360 degrees. So we have x minus 20 degrees plus our reflex angle 110 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, now let's remove x so that we have x is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, our plus 110 will go and change to minus 110 degrees. Our minus 20 will go and change to plus 20 degrees. So when we work that out, we will have x to be equal to 270 degrees. So our x here is 270 degrees.